Welcome to Low-Key PD. In this video, we're going to explore how to add a chart into Google Drawings. If you move up to the Insert menu and click, about halfway down you'll have the option to insert a chart into your Google Drawing. You have a few options here, and it helps to understand ahead of time what it is you're looking for. You can insert a bar chart, a column chart, a line chart, a pie chart, or you can add a chart directly from one of your own Google Sheets. I'm going to add a pie chart, so I click on pie chart, and it generates this automatically. This is not coming from any data that I have. It sort of generates a Google Sheet with data in it, and then produces this chart, and then inserts the chart. All right, so there's not really much I can do with this chart in Google Drawings. I can resize it, rotate it, whatever. I can do that stuff. But the real power is in this little link up here in the upper right. If I click on Open Source, it will open the spreadsheet where the source data is that's generating that chart. If I want to change something, let's say Team 3 has 62 points instead of 12, notice that the chart updates. And if I go back to my Google Drawing, now I have a little prompt at my chart in my Google Drawing indicating to me that the source data has been updated, and so I should update my image. So if I click on that, I now get the new chart. But that's not all. If I go back to that source data and I click on the chart, and I click on this little snowman menu, I have options to edit the chart, delete the chart, download the chart, publish the chart, copy the chart, move this to one of my own sheets, or provide alternate text for the chart. I'm going to click on Edit the Chart. The nice thing here is I'm going to edit this chart in this Google Sheet, but because of that nice Customize feature, or not Customize, Update feature in Google Drawings, any changes I make here, if I want them to be reflected in that Google Drawing, all I have to do is click on Update. So I still want it to be a pie chart. I can change my labels. I have a number of different options here. I want to go to Customize. Chart Style. All right, chart border. Let's change that color. And then let's make it a 3D chart. That will add a little bit of visual pop to it. What else do I want for my pie chart? Well, the donut hole would be the hole in the middle, and right now that's set to 0. I'm going to set that to 50%, and notice now a little hole appears in the middle of my pie chart. Pie slice, I can determine the colors for each team in this case. I can change the chart and axis titles if I want, the formatting for that. I can change the settings for the legend. All right, so I can do all of that in this Google Sheet, but notice when I go back to my Google Drawing, I still have to click on Update, but when I do, it updates with the new chart. So you can get some really nice looking charts in your Google Drawings by inserting them. If you know what your source data is, and if you want it to appear in a really nice way, you can change the settings and the features and the formatting for those charts and then just update it in that Google Drawing by clicking on Update.